Become Solution uses differentiated, customized programs to more easily, rapidly, and precisely meet the needs of customers. ATUM, a low-code development platform, automatically carries out program designing, development, and operation. ATUM consists of 11 individual programs divided into 4 stages and is able to conduct a project easily and swiftly based on the MDD method rather than on a program coding method. Time and costs can be reduced and anyone is able to operate it, which is easily expanded and modified henceforward. The progress of a project goes through 5 stages: planning, structure design, development, managing, and operation. In the first stage of planning, Sketcher is used to draw an outcome that I imagine in advance by sorting out and reflecting requests of a customer. And fast feedback is available as the outcome is shared with the customer in real time. In the second stage of designing program structures, a program called Architecture is used. It has functions that can be used for standard database projects and prepares additionally needed things in advance by modifying and developing them. In the third stage of developing actual screens and functions after finishing the design stage, screens and menus are formed to be suited to each manufacturing process and relevant functions are added. Such methods as drag and drop or a wizard enable you to perform the processes conveniently and swiftly. The next stage is managing the formed screens. In the managing stage, errors can be easily detected and corrected by using ATUM's development programs. In the final stage of operation, anyone, even if not a programmer, is able to maintain and manage the system with ease through ATUM. It can be operated directly or through a website and be easily expanded and changed. ATUM realizes a smart factory that you'd want more easily, rapidly, and precisely. Become Solution provides the best solutions for your factory problems.